condition of my hair. I have my hair appointment this morning. So my appointment is for 8 o'clock and it's now 7 o'clock. So it's time to go.
We can ask him one question.
Who?
Come ask him 2 questions, it's fair.
Okay, alright, let's go. What's his question?
And don't pop the balloon now. What if... Don't bother pop it in there, just ask a question. Don't shoot the messenger. So, what if my eyes was on you, but it on somebody else? Would you pop the balloon? No? Make it make sense.
Well, you said if...
So if my eyes was on you personally, but it's on somebody else,
Yeah.
that's maybe not in, don't pop the balloon, that maybe not in the lineup or in the lineup, would you pop me? Odd question, but think it through.
What?
Rolly, your question, Rolly.
Joe, my bad, sorry, my bad.
The second place thing still.
Yeah, I don't do that either.
Yeah.
I'm just asking a question.
Yeah.
I'm not flirt, like, oh, it's Captain America over there, so me a flirt.
I feel like
Rolly, can you pop, you know, we can ask 3 questions, please.
No.
I don't understand why she want.
Let me just ask 3
Talk about
questions, please.
come back with the balloon.
First of all, you got height. Why you never ask the first 3 important questions?
No, because I have to listen, I have to get them thoughts, Rolly.
Alright, first one, find out. Males, still keeping a balloon? Keeping a balloon, G?
Alright, good. We can ask a question.
There's a difference.
It's look like you love custom. It's a love company, you know. The man put the hours.
So it's approximately 4 days after I got my hair done, and what my hair is looking like. So last year, this time, I had 4 braids just like this, but in a different color. I'm going back to my 1B. Not like I didn't like the other color, but gotta keep it on the low this time around because I have classes here and there, but it's time for my hair to get some moisturizer. So this is the oil. It's not focusing. Focus. Good. So this is the oil that I use. You can find it in a lot of stores because she now has them in a lot of stores. I got this one in Half a Tree. And this is for my curls. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus, but these two. I do have my continuous spray. It's brown because it has cloves in it. So I've done some research like over the years, and I heard that cloves is good for your hair. So this will be going on my roots. This will be going on my roots, and this is for the overall So I'm finished now. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to put it in a bonnet and then I'll go to sleep with it like this. Hey guys, I'm gonna close out this vlog right here. Just a little run through. So I did my hair in the first part of this vlog, and then I went to the beach. There wasn't much talking, but I went to Mahogany Beach in Ocho Rios. It's a cool, chill place. It was overcast because it was raining before, but the sun came out, so it was a good day. I did say in this vlog that I have school. I don't really have school, but I have this self-directed learning exercise to submit, and then that's it for school. So I did this color in vain, but that's okay, that's okay, that's all right. I have a package here. First thing, I got a new Apple Pencil dupe. One that I bought is nowhere to be found. I got the exact one that I lost. This was for $12, but this one is packaged differently. It comes with a manual, comes with the change of tips, a charger, the pencil itself, a case that you can carry around, and everything fits inside. I think it should work with my iPad because it said so before I purchased it. Okay, so there's a whole list right here. So let me see if I see iPad 9 and then right, it's there, so it should work. Also got some gummies. This was recommended by no other than ChatGPT. So I searched which brand on Amazon has the best hair, nail, and skin gummies, and this is what ChatGPT recommended, so I got this. It is 120 gummies and it's dietary supplement for your hair, skin, and nail. I also got supplement for brain health. So I did ask ChatGPT what was the best, and this was what was recommended. Sometimes I don't know if these supplements work. I feel like it's like a placebo effect, like you take them expecting it to work, so you don't know if it actually works. So they're all sealed. That's my little Amazon haul, and this is the end of this video. I hope you like the video, and this is the first in the series of my summer diaries, so stay tuned for the rest of those vlogs. Bye.